Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Mary Maxine, the girl with the kinks and the curls. Today I am back with another video. Today I am going to be talking to you guys about why your wash and go is failing, why it's not working for you, what you are doing wrong that you can improve. But before I jump into this video, if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up. Comment in the comment section and do not forget to subscribe to my channel because my channel is lit, okay? I am pushing content out, okay? You know, push it, push it, push it. Push it, 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 push it. You know, I'm pushing content out for you guys because I want to be able to help those who need help. So without any further ado, we're just going to jump right into this list. This list has about 3 different reasons why your wash and go might be failing. So the first reason is that you are not catering your wash and go to your hair porosity. So there are a ton of videos on YouTube about hair porosity, as well as a ton of images on Google about how to decipher what your hair porosity is. And what to do when you find out what your hair porosity is. So I'm not going to really jump into the nitty-gritty about hair porosity, but what I will say is that it is important to know your hair porosity when it comes to doing your wash and go in order for your wash and go to be a success. With that being said, I have low porosity hair, which means that the cuticles on the strands of my hair are closed and I have a hard time getting moisture into my hair. To make sure that my wash and goes are To make sure that my wash and goes are a success, what I like to do is style my hair with warm water. So I usually put warm water inside a spray bottle and I work section by section by section until I complete my whole entire head. Okay, so side note real quickly, when I am not filming YouTube videos, I like to style my hair inside the shower because it's just easier to have consistent warm water. So that's something that I kind of wanted to add in there. If you have low porosity hair, it might be a little easier for you to style your hair inside the shower. So we're just gonna hop right back into the video. The next thing that I like to do is to use a light leave-in. My hair cannot take thick products because when I put thick products on my hair, I get a ton of buildup. So instead of using a thick leave-in, what I like to do is use a leave-in mist spray or some type of light leave-in where it's just like more so water-based to make sure that my hair is not only hydrated but not weighed down, and make sure that there is no buildup when my hair dries. After I use that leave-in, I like to go in with a gel, but I only use a little bit of gel because if I use too much gel, it's just gonna weigh my hair down, and again, my hair is going to flake up. So I use a little bit because a little bit goes a long way for me, and I like to use the raking method on my hair because the raking method just gives me the best definition, and it's so easy, it goes by quickly. I've done shingling before, but I feel like shingling takes way too much time because you have to define each and every curl. Whereas like raking, all you have to do is literally apply the gel onto your hair and rake it through, and your curls are gonna clump together the way you want them to, and they're gonna look beautiful. Now for high porosity girls and men, what I would recommend is to use a little bit more of thicker products. So I know some people like to do the whole LCO versus LOC method when they're doing their wash and go. I don't do the LCO method because I just feel like it will weigh my hair down, especially with the gel when I do my wash and goes. So for women and men with high porosity hair, it is vital to make sure that your hair is moisturized because your hair is very porous, so there's a lot of gaps on your hair. So you need to make sure that you are catering to your porous hair by using thick products to make sure your hair stays moisturized throughout the week. So I would recommend doing your wash and go with a very thick cream or hair butter and then going in with a gel just to make sure that that moisture is being trapped onto your strands and make sure that your moisture lasts throughout the week. The second reason why your wash and go is failing is because you're following somebody else's regimen. I say this to say that everyone's hair is different, okay? My hair is different from yours, your hair is different from mine. We don't have the same hair. So it's kind of like a trial and error type of thing when it comes to learning about your hair. You need to find things that your hair loves, and you need to know what your hair hates. It is important that you cater your wash and go to you. This means that go out, you know, try different things, watch reviews, and take notes of what other people are saying, and then go out there and try it. A lot of companies now are making sample size things, so if you don't feel comfortable buying a big jar of the product, a full size jar of the product, what you can do is buy a sample, test it out, and see if your hair likes it. If your hair doesn't like it, then you know it doesn't work for you, but if it does, then you could go out and buy a bigger size and go with it. Honestly, do you know how many times that I have done wash and goes and they have been a complete fail? Back in the day when I first started doing my own hair, I used to always get really bad flaking when it came to my wash and goes, and it was because I was following somebody else's hair regimen and it was just not working for me. And because it wasn't working for me, my hair was just failing constantly. I don't even know like what inspired me to like start doing my own research and whatnot, but I literally used to just copy whatever I saw on YouTube because I just didn't know that I had to find my own way. I had to find my own regimen. So I think it is vital that you make your own regimen, you learn what your hair likes, you learn what your hair does not like, and go from there when it comes to conducting your own wash and go regimen. The third reason and final reason why your wash and go is failing is because your drying process is whack. Honestly, how are you drying your hair, sis? Let me know. Please tell me how you're drying your hair. I feel like the way you dry your hair is pretty vital when it comes to making sure that your wash and go lasts, because if you go to sleep with your hair soaking wet, it's just gonna mush up and it's not gonna look cute. You're gonna look crazy, sis. You need to make sure that you are giving yourself enough time to dry your hair. There are various ways to dry your hair. You can use a hair dryer, so you can diffuse your hair with the hair dryer. You can sit under a hooded dryer. That probably will take you like 30 minutes to an hour to dry your whole entire head. Or what you can do is just air dry, just simply air dry. So you could choose whichever method works for you, but make sure you are giving your hair enough time to be like about 95% dry before going to sleep, because if not, you are going to go to sleep, you're gonna wake up and your hair is going to be very wet. Real quickly, just in case anybody is wondering, so for my wash and go today, I am on day 3, and to style my hair, I ended up using the Tailored Beauty Perfect Coils Curling Jelly. So I featured this gel on my review on the entire Tailored Beauty line, and I really like this gel. It always gives me good definition. My hair is nice and moisturized. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up so you guys can see what my hair is looking like. As you can see, there is still a lot of definition going on in my hair. I didn't stretch my hair this week because I decided that I didn't want to stretch my hair. I wanted to see how long I could make my wash and goes last without stretching my hair. So this week I did not stretch my hair, and to make sure that my hair is just a little stretched throughout the week, in the mornings when I'm about to take a shower, I like to just band the roots of my hair just to kind of pick it out a little bit without using a pick. So I like to use these hair bands right here. So I use 6 of these hair bands, and I usually do 2 ponies here, 2 ponies here, and 2 in the back, just to make 6. It stretches my hair out and it just gives me a nice shape, and it helps me to maintain the shape of my hair. With that being said, if you guys like this video, let me know. I definitely would like to do a part 2 to this video, so if you'd like me to do a part 2, let me know in the comment section, and I will definitely film a part 2 of why your wash and go is failing, because sis, I am here to help you. You need help from me, so I am here to help you. And yeah, so if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and comment in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe to me for more videos. I will be posting more videos, and I would love to see your face in the comment section. Subscribe to me, get to know me, follow me on my social media. My name on Instagram is Kinky Curly Mary, and my name on Twitter is @KinkyCurlyMary. Until next time, guys, peace and love always. Bye. I still feel the